While it may seem ordinary at first, this account consistently earns hundreds of dollars, and I'll reveal the secret later in the video. But first, let's explore InVid AI, the tool that powers this business and automates video creation. InVid AI transforms your ideas into captivating videos with a simple prompt. I'll showcase its capabilities by creating a YouTube short on space travel, adding a deep Australian male voiceover for an epic touch. The best part? You can easily modify elements like subtitles and voiceover. Stay tuned as we uncover the tool's potential and learn how to start a TikTok automation business with it. Step 1. Logging in. To access InVid AI, click on the initial link in the description box. Redirects you to a page where you can create a free account. Upon entering InVid Video AI, you'll find a straightforward dashboard with a text box. This is the simplest way to use InVideo AI. For instance, you could type a prompt like, create a 2-minute video about cats, and InVideo AI will handle script planning, voiceover, and video creation. However, for high-quality videos, it's better to use more detailed prompts. Stay tuned until the end for my prompt formula that ensures optimal results. You can also choose a workflow from the drop-down menu, offering options like YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Recent Events Video, and Script to Video. Each selection prompts for specific information. Understanding this process is crucial for launching your TikTok automation business. Step 2. Providing information. Let's say we aim to create a YouTube explainer, an ideal choice for launching a faceless YouTube channel. After selecting this option, you'll notice additional boxes. First, set the video duration using the drop-down menu. For this example, let's go with 10 minutes. Next, provide more details about the video. In this box, be specific about what you want. More details lead to better results. For instance, I came across a pet-related channel with a cat video that gained almost 2 million views. I'll try something similar, like create a video about 9 crazy facts about cats. In the following box, get creative and guide the video's overall look. I want mine to start with a captivating fact, be funny, engaging, and dynamic. Also, I'd like to end with a question for more audience interaction. Remember, the more details you give, the better the results. Step 3. Adding details. Moving on, the next detail to input is your choice of background music. Depending on your video's tone, pick the music type that suits it best. For this instance, fun music is a fitting option. Then delve into the voiceover settings. Specify the gender and choose from a list of voices with various accents. While you can add subtitles, I'll leave that for now. Once you're ready, hit continue. By filling these boxes, you create a detailed prompt. Click on Generate a Video, and the AI presents additional customization options, varying based on your video type. Select the target audience: cat lovers, pet owners, or animal enthusiasts. Choose the look and feel. For this, I've gone with a bright aesthetic. Platform-wise, I've selected YouTube. After confirming your choices, click Continue and let InVid AI work its magic. In about 5 minutes, the video is ready, showcasing the fascinating world of cats, all crafted by the simple act of typing a line of text. Step 4. Editing and customizing your video. Now that your video is nearly complete, let's explore the flexibility of making edits using InVid AI. The first method is utilizing the text box beneath the video, which allows you to give text-based commands for changes, adding scenes, deleting clips, or adjusting audio elements. The second option involves clicking the edit button, offering choices between editing media or the script. In the media edit section, you can view all videos and images used, with corresponding text highlighted when selecting a clip. Once satisfied, click Export to save the video. However, keep in mind that the free version comes with a watermark and low resolution. For serious creators, upgrading to a paid plan at $20 a month, it offers unlimited exports, high-quality resolution, access to premium footage, and more. Essential for diving into the TikTok automation business, as I'll explain shortly. But before diving into TikTok automation, let me showcase a feature that can skyrocket your YouTube views: the recent event video workflow. Now, before we unveil the full scope of this AI-powered phenomenon, let's ignite some interactive energy. If you're as intrigued as I am, smash that like button to show your excitement. And hey, if you want to stay ahead of the loop and be the first to dive into future revelations, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your engagement fuels this here at Pivot Online. By selecting this workflow, I can ask the AI to create a YouTube video discussing the recent ChatGPT updates. Here's the incredible part. You can provide an article link, and the AI will use it as a reference to craft the video, which is truly mind-blowing. After that, click Generate Video, and like magic, you'll have a trending video in just a couple of minutes. After understanding the tool, let's dive into the TikTok automation business. How does the account make money? Start by picking an affiliate product. Use platforms like ClickBank or Digistore. Step 5. Opening your content account. Now let's proceed to create your TikTok account, a straightforward process. The exciting part kicks in with content creation, beginning with brainstorming video ideas. I'll share 2 different approaches, with the last one being a bit more advanced. Method 1. ChatGPTs. The first approach involves ChatGPT. Simply ask the bot to generate video ideas tailored to your chosen niche, and you'll have a plethora of options. Let's take dog health tips as an example. Copy the idea and head to InVid AI, selecting the YouTube Shorts workflow, though it's the same format as TikTok. Fill in the video details, choose voiceover settings, and don't forget about subtitles, an excellent engagement booster. Hit continue, generate a video, and voila. Method 2. Utilizing articles. Another effective method is leveraging articles within your niche. For instance, I discovered an article on dog training tips. Copy the link, head over to InVid AI, and choose the Shorts workflow. While providing video details this time, include the article link and request to use it as a reference. InVid AI is clever enough to transform the article into a captivating short video effortlessly. Step 6. Combining everything. Now, let me unveil my prompt formula, a versatile guide designed to yield optimal results for various video types. This formula comprises 7 crucial sections. 1. Duration. Specify how long you want the video to be, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or any other duration. 2. Platform. Choose the platform for your video, such as YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, etc. 3. Topic. Clearly define what your video is all about. 4. Voiceover. Specify the gender, accent, and tone for the voiceover. 5. Script style. Determine the style of the script, whether it's storytelling, easy to understand, etc. 6. Background music. Select the background music that suits the video's mood, be it calm, epic, inspiring, etc. 7. Additional information. Include any extra details like a specific call to action, a reference link, etc. For instance, let's create a prompt using this formula. Craft a 3-minute TikTok video spotlighting quick and nutritious breakfast recipes. Opt for a female voice with a neutral accent and an energetic tone to deliver an informative script. Infuse the video with upbeat background music, creating an engaging culinary experience. Additionally, include a reference link to a recipe website for viewers to explore further. As we wrap up our exploration into the secret AI TikTok biz, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you, the pivotal force behind Pivot Online. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of online prosperity, don't forget to pivot your cursor over to that like button and make it official by subscribing. Your support fuels the momentum of our journey, and I can't wait to see you pivot back for more groundbreaking insights. Until next time.